Beanie members' birthday greetings for Beanie Gwen. The latest update of Beanie as they bloom wherever they go. Today is a special day for Beanie Gwen, her 21st birthday. Beanie members posted birthday greetings for Beanie Gwen. Sa Instagram store ni Beanie Colette, nagpost siya ng video with Beanie Gwen with the caption, "Happy Happy Birthday Gwen." Beanie Maloy also posted a video with her birthday greetings. Happy Gwenny May Day! Gwenny, you are so precious. If only we could protect you 24/7. Sa lahat ng pwedeng manakit sa'yo, ginawa na namin. We always treasure you and your presence is enough. Your smile is enough to remind us na despite of what's happening, my hope, na you'll always find a reason to smile. Dito lang ako, Gwenny. Papakinggan kita palagi, promise. From Beanie Mika, happy birthday to this pure soul, Gwen. I know how hard you work to be the best you can be. I am so proud of you. Small or big achievements are still achievements, and I hope you realize that. Beanie Sheena also posted a photo with Gwen with the caption, Happy Baby Day. From Beanie Stacy, happy birthday Gwen. Stay clingy and cutie, I love you. And here are the cute and makulit side ni Beanie Gwen na shinare ng Beanie members. Di siya nakakain ng chichirya na walang ka-share. Napapasaya mo ako. I hope you have a great day. Sobrang cute ni Beanie Gwen, sobrang tahimik niya, pero lalapit siya at kukurutin ako. Si Gwen, patahimik-tahimik lang yan, magaling yang mabudol. Marami na akong nabili sa Shopee dahil kay Gwen. Happy birthday Gwen, just be true to yourself, you bloom just the way you are, and Beanie and Blooms love you so much.